What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What time is it?
It's 4 p.m.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How's your family?
They're all well, thanks.
What time do you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What's your address?
It's 123 Main Street.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What's your job?
I'm an engineer.
How was the weekend?
It was relaxing.
What's for breakfast?
I'm having cereal.
Do you have any plans?
I'm going to the movies.
How's work going?
It's busy, but good.
What time do you sleep?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
What's for lunch?
I'm having a sandwich.
How's the traffic?
It's heavy this morning.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was the meeting?
It went well.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, one brother.
What's on your schedule?
I have a dentist appointment.
How do you feel?
I feel a bit tired.
What's the date today?
It's July 19th.
Do you need anything?
Yes, some milk, please.
How's the new job?
It's challenging but good.
What are you wearing?
Jeans and a t-shirt.
Do you have a car?
Yes, a blue sedan.
What's your shoe size?
I wear size 9.
How was the flight?
It was smooth.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love books.
What's the temperature?
It's 75 degrees Fahrenheit.
How's your health?
I'm feeling better now.
Do you have allergies?
Yes, to pollen.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
How do you take your coffee?
With milk. No sugar.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
What's your hobby?
I enjoy photography.
How's the food?
It's delicious.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What's your blood type?
It's a positive.
How's the new house?
It's spacious and comfortable.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play tennis.
What's your shirt size?
I wear medium.
How was the party?
It was fun and lively.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Godfather.
What's for dessert?
We're having ice cream.
How was the concert?
It was amazing.
Do you drink alcohol occasionally?
Yes.
What's your password?
It's confidential.
How's the new phone?
It works great.
What's on the radio?
Some pop music.
How was the exam?
It was challenging.
How's the garden?
It's blooming nicely.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, for reading.
What's your favorite drink?
I love orange juice.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, 4:07 p.m.
What's your favorite sport?
I enjoy watching soccer.
How's the new laptop?
It's fast and efficient.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, 2 sisters.
How's the air conditioning?
It's working well.
Do you have any cash?
Yes, about $100.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math the most.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, they are very nice.
How many classes do you have each day?
I have 6 classes every day.
Do you have a lot of homework?
Sometimes. Yes.
What's your least favorite subject?
I don't like history much.
Do you study after school?
Yes, I study for 1 or 2 hours.
Do you like group projects?
Sometimes they can be fun.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat a sandwich or salad.
Do you participate in school clubs?
Yes, I'm in the drama club.
Do you like your school cafeteria?
Yes, the food is okay.
Who is your best friend at school?
My best friend is Sarah.
Do you like school sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What time does school end?
School ends at 3:00 p.m.
Do you have a lot of tests?
Yes, especially during finals.
Do you like studying in the library?
Yes, it's quiet and helps me focus.
Do you have school on Saturday?
No, school is Monday to Friday.
What do you do during recess?
I usually hang out with friends.
Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, it's comfortable.
Do you ride the bus to school?
Yes, I take the school bus.
Do you prefer morning or afternoon classes?
I like morning classes better.
What's your favorite thing about school?
I like seeing my friends.
Do you get nervous before tests?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you like group work or solo work?
I prefer solo work.
Do you have a locker?
Yes, I keep my books there.
What's your favorite school subject?
I love science.
Do you like writing essays?
Sometimes, yes.
How do you prepare for exams?
I review my notes and do practice tests.
Do you like your school principal?
Yes, she is very kind.